Iguazu Falls is one of the top tourist destinations and tourist attractions in Brazil and South America. And when you visit the Brazilian side of Iguazu Falls, you will be staying in a town called FOZ do Iguaçu. Now in this video, I'm going to discuss whether this town is a safe town to stay in. Now, regardless of whether FOZ do Iguaçu is safe or not, you should absolutely get some travel insurance, especially when you're traveling to Latin America. I've actually put a link in the description and also the comment section too, to a website where you can get yourself some really affordable travel insurance. It's a very easy website to use and navigate. I think their insurance plans are really affordable too, so do check them out. The link is below. And also protect your devices too when you're traveling. Get yourself a VPN. I recommend Surfshark VPN. Use the link in the description. With that link in the description, they regularly do offer discounts and deals. Again, Surfshark are the VPN provider that I use. They're really easy to use. The plans are really affordable. They protect your devices and they allow you to change the virtual location of your devices too, so you can access movies and series that you cannot access in Brazil, but you may be able to access in other countries. And you can get yourself some antivirus software. Again, go below to either the comment section or the description. All the links are there. Now, in terms of safety in FOZ do Iguaçu, I stayed there in the town for a couple of days in March. And nothing bad happened to me. I was never robbed. I didn't feel like I was ever going to be robbed, or I didn't feel in massive danger. However, I would recommend you do take some safety precautions when you are there, because sometimes you may feel a little uncomfortable. Firstly, I recommend that you stay somewhere in this grid here. So this is the city centre of FOZ do Iguaçu. And if you can, I would recommend maybe staying somewhere down this main road that I've circled here, because you do get a lot of nice bars there and some good nightlife there. By staying in the city centre, you will be close to bars, shops, restaurants that you can access during the daytime. However, the city centre can be eerily quiet. During the daytime, everyone is visiting Iguazu Falls. As soon as I arrived into FOZ do Iguaçu, I had a little walk around the town. This is a photo that I taken when I was walking around the town, and as you can see, it was pretty empty. There were not many people about at all, so it can feel a little bit sketchy in that regard. And also, there are some homeless people there in the town too. And I did get someone come up to me and ask me for some money. Luckily, I wasn't threatened or anything like that. Just a kind, polite guy asking for some money. So you just need to be a little bit vigilant in the town. Don't show any expensive jewelry. Don't be wearing expensive designer clothes or shoes. Don't be flaunting your expensive latest iPhone. And also at nighttime, I would not recommend walking around as well. If you do stay somewhere near this main road that I mentioned before, there are a lot of bars there, so it's quite vibrant there. But apart from that main road, the city is really quiet. The streets are really empty. So that kind of links into my next safety tip. Download and use Uber. Uber is going to be your friend in FOZ do Iguaçu. Uber is really safe and it's really affordable in FOZ do Iguaçu and in Brazil too. Uber is available in all major cities in Brazil. So if you are going to go out to the bars, I do recommend taking an Uber. And also as well, you can get an Uber from the town to the Iguazu Falls itself. Now this is actually what I did. Now I've just put on the screen here a map of the distance that the journey takes. So the distance from the town centre to the Iguazu Park is about an 8-mile journey or 13 kilometers. Now that journey in the Uber cost me about 52 Brazilian reais, and 52 reais is about 10 US dollars. So a 10 US dollar 13-kilometer journey, for me, I think that's really good value for money. Now, a cheaper option to get to the falls would be to take a local bus, but to be honest, I just think Uber is more comfortable and more easy to use. Now, if you are actually planning to go to the Argentinian side of the Iguazu Falls, do notice that I've also put a link in the comment section and the description to where you can book a day trip tour from FOZ do Iguaçu to go and see the Argentinian side in a single day trip. I think this is a good option if you are short on time on your trip, or if you do not have time to go and see the rest of Argentina. If you are planning to go and see the rest of Argentina, of course, I would recommend that you actually stay in the town of Puerto Iguaçu on the Argentinian side and go and see the Argentinian side of the falls from Puerto Iguaçu. But if you are just short on time, or if you're just sticking to a Brazil trip, you may just want to stick to taking a day trip to the Argentinian side of the falls and then come back to the Brazilian side after your day trip. And also the very top link you see in the description and comment section is a link to a side hustle where you can make money. If you use that link, you'll get a free 25 British pounds, so about 30 US dollars. Use that link, sign up. It's a side hustle that I use to make money. It works, it's easy to use. Just follow the instructions to sign up to earn some money. It does really help out to fund your travels. Now, if you are from FOZ do Iguaçu, or if you have been to FOZ do Iguaçu before, do let me know in the comment section if you feel safe in the city of FOZ do Iguaçu. Did you feel safe? What safety tips would you recommend for tourists and travelers coming to FOZ do Iguaçu? And also do let me know in the comment section if you are planning a trip to Iguaçu Falls. I definitely recommend trying to come here. It's one of the most spectacular natural things that the world has to offer. Now, I do hope that today's video has been useful, helpful, and interesting. If it has, do click the like button. It really does help out the video. Hit the notification bell as well. That means you get notified for all my latest videos, and also subscribe to my channel for more travel content. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.